Potato.
Potato.
Chips are made of potatoes, surely you know that.
Chips are made of potatoes, surely you know that.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Layer the pasta with slices of tomato for extra flavor.
Layer the pasta with slices of tomato for extra flavor.
Onion.
Onion.
Fry the onions until they start to turn golden.
Fry the onions until they start to turn golden.
Carrot.
Carrot.
If you put carrot tops in water, they begin to grow.
If you put carrot tops in water, they begin to grow.
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
I made broccoli soup for dinner yesterday.
I made broccoli soup for dinner yesterday.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic butter shrimp needs from minced cloves.
Garlic butter shrimp needs 4 minced cloves.
Spinach.
Spinach.
Spinach is delicious in a creamy pasta sauce.
Spinach is delicious in a creamy pasta sauce.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
Red bell peppers add a pop of color to any salad.
Red bell peppers add a pop of color to any salad.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
I had a tuna and cucumber sandwich for lunch.
I had a tuna and cucumber sandwich for lunch.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Fresh lettuce leaves add crunch to a burger.
Fresh lettuce leaves add crunch to a burger.
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Shall I add mushrooms to the pizza for extra flavor?
Shall I add mushrooms to the pizza for extra flavor?
Zucchini.
Zucchini.
Grilled zucchini is a healthy and tasty side dish.
Grilled zucchini is a healthy and tasty side dish.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Mashed cauliflower makes a great alternative to potatoes.
Mashed cauliflower makes a great alternative to potatoes.
Corn.
Corn.
Do you feed your chickens corn from the garden?
Do you feed your chickens corn from the garden?
Green beans.
Green beans.
Green beans are sautéed with garlic in this recipe.
Green beans are sautéed with garlic in this recipe.
Peas.
Peas.
Peas bring sweetness to a hearty vegetable stew.
Peas bring sweetness to a hearty vegetable stew.
Chili pepper.
Chili pepper.
Add chili peppers to give your curry a spicy kick.
Add chili peppers to give your curry a spicy kick.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato wedges are great with a sprinkle of cinnamon.
Sweet potato wedges are great with a sprinkle of cinnamon.
Celery.
Celery.
Celery sticks make a great snack with hummus.
Celery sticks make a great snack with hummus.
Asparagus.
Asparagus.
Asparagus is delicious when roasted with olive oil.
Asparagus is delicious when roasted with olive oil.